Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the POCO M7 Plus. Alright, so before we begin, let's make sure that in the settings of our device, as we scroll down and when we get to the Google, that we are logged into the same Google account on which we made the backup before. It is really important because there is a chance that if you are logged into other Google account, you won't be able to restore your chats because the WhatsApp backup is stored in the Google Cloud of your account. So simply make sure that you are logged into the proper account. And now we can open up our WhatsApp. Now we can restore the chats when we download the app from the Play Store. As you can see, the app welcomes us. We need to now select our language. Once it's done, click on this green button. In here, again, you can select your language and click on Agree and Continue. We can click on Allow to send us notifications. And now we need to type our phone number right in here in this bar. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click right in here and it will be automatically computed. Remember that you need to have your SIM card inserted or your eSIM enabled. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'll type my phone number. Then click on Next once you have done that. And now we also need to verify our phone number. We have a few methods. For example, we can use the code from the SMS message or use the missed call. I always use the missed call because it's, I think it's the most comfortable option. So once you have verified your phone number, okay, you should have something like that. Contacts and media. And now click on Continue. Click on Allow, Allow, and Allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. We can see when the last backup was made. In my case, it was yesterday at 5 p.m. Also its size and the account on which we made that backup. And as you take a look, is the same Google account that I'm currently logged in the settings of my device. Also, we need to restore our chats right now because there's a chance that if we don't do it right now, we won't be able to do it later. So you should do it right now. Click on Restore. Now the process will start. It won't take long because I don't have that many messages. Alright, 14 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Click on Next. Under the profile info, simply type your name. If you want, you can also change the profile photo if you click right in here. Then click on Next. And now all of the messages, including photos and the videos, has been successfully restored. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.